So we have 6 plus 2 squared divided by 4 minus 18 divided by 3 times 2. So ang pinaka main focus natin dito is to simplify itong whole bracket, no? Kasi under sila ng isang bracket, di ba? So tatapusin muna natin yan. Yan yung ginuwitan ko. Unang-una na dito yung 6 plus 2. Okay? So that is 6 plus 2, that is 8. Then square, meron tayong square sa labas, divided by 4. Minus 18 divided by 3, pwede na nating isolve to. 18 divided by 3, this is 6. And then times 2. Okay? Then after that, meron pa rin tayong parenthesis. Yun nga lang, hindi natin siya ma-divide, no? Hindi natin to ma-divide dahil yung 8 merong square. So, ibig sabihin, tanggalin muna natin yung exponent. So, ang 8 square po, that is 8 times 8. And that is 64. Okay? Common knowledge po. So, we have 64 divided by 4. Okay? And then, by the way, meron tayong parenthesis dito. Baka makalimutan. Ayusin ko lang. Yan. So, 64 divided by 4. And then, minus 6. Okay? Bring down lang to. Minus 6. Then, close. Times 2. Ibig sabihin, bago tayo mag times 2, kailangan matapos muna natin yung nasa loob ng bracket. Okay? So, try natin. So, magpe-PEMDAS na tayo dito. 64 divided by 4. So, that is 16 minus 6 times 2. Okay? So, patapos na tayo. 16 minus 6, that is 10 times 2. So, 10 times 2, this is 20. So, the answer is letter A, 20. Yan.